Hello everyone, welcome back. So this is our third activity of art and craft, and this time we'll be referring one artist. His name is Piet Mondrian. Pietmondrain. Piet Mondrian. So we'll be referring his artwork, we'll be copying his artwork, and he is a Dutch painter. He was born in Netherlands. He used to be the greatest artist of 20th century. Okay, he used to be the greatest artist of 20th century. You don't have to write it, you just remember it. Okay, I can ask you anytime whenever you submit your artworks. Okay, so he does abstract paintings. Okay, you all are aware with abstract word, we do a lot of abstract art. So he was master of abstract art. His name was Piet Mondrian, and we will be using the way he used to do. We'll be using the same colors, same composition, same tones, but in a different way. Okay, so what his colors were? His colors were red, blue, yellow and black. White, which was your base. So he used to use these minimum colors. He was a minimalist modern artist. He used to use very minimum colors and with in a great way. Okay, that's why he was a master. He was master in minimalism, modernism, cubism. So these are all the eras of paintings and artworks. You don't need to go there, but just remember his name and his work. That's it. So we'll be referring Piet Mondrian today. What you need for your activity today is a simple sheet, or your art files can also work. Okay, a pen, a pencil, anything. A black sketch pen is a must, because we'll be using black sketch pen, or black paints can also use. Some colors, any color, any medium, any color can be used. So his main artwork was a composition with red, yellow, blue, black and white color. I'll be showing it when the school reopens. I'll be showing the print, but today we'll be using same colors in a different way. So let's draw. Take out your pencils and just draw a simple heart. Okay, a simple heart. You all know how to draw a heart. Simple heart, any size on your art files. Okay, any size heart, small, big, any size, and just outline it with black marker. It's a very simple activity, but we'll be learning his composition ideas and what all he has left behind for us to learn. Okay, so what he used to do is, he used to take any shape and just divide with some lines. Okay, the same way we are going to divide with some lines. So let's draw horizontal line first. So let's make one line here and one line here. Okay, and now let's draw vertical lines, two vertical lines. We'll start from here till here, here till here, and now again a horizontal line from the second line till here. Alright, again a vertical line like this, dividing this part. Again a vertical line just till here, one more like this. So now we have got various parts, okay, for our heart. Now please remember to make sure that your black lines are very bold, okay. Just double outline them and make them bold, not too thick, not too thin. A good amount of thickness is enough, okay. Just double outline it and color with black sketch pen, whatever you're using. So in his era, obviously there were no heart, stars, moon shape. They used to just make simple rectangular, triangle and square shape paintings, but this time we have just modernized his art into a good shape, okay. So let me just double outline my heart shape and one more. Now whatever color I've told you before, just take out all those colors. Colors are red, yellow, blue, black and white are obviously, black is this sketch pen what we are using, and white we will be leaving the space, white space of your sheet. You can just double outline your heart as well if you want to, or you can just leave it. Again repeating the name, the artist name is Piet Mondrian. He was born in Netherlands. He was a Dutch artist. He was very famous and great artist of 20th century. And now we have taken out the colors. What the colors were: red, blue, let's take dark blue, yellow. Alright, so let's begin with coloring now. I will be taking yellow color and I'll just color this part, okay. Just color this part nicely. You can use any color. And now take red and color these two parts. It's a very simple activity, but we are just learning the artist, how in that century he just used 3 colors and did such an amazing artwork. You can just Google and see more of his artworks, or I'll just share the images. Like this. Take some blue color and I'll just color this part blue, small part, right side blue, and this big part in the middle. Color it nicely, okay. I know I'm not coloring it very nicely because I need to show you. Just don't leave white space the way I've left, okay. Now again I'll just take some red color and I'll color this red. Or what you can do is, see, when we are getting too much of red, what you do, just take black marker, draw one more line and leave the space white. Simple. and then color this part just red like this. So I'll leave these also white and I'll color this also red. Now let me just color some yellow because yellow is missing. So let's color this part yellow. Alright, let's color some blue also. Let's color blue in this. Okay, now any color which is missing we can just adjust somewhere in the middle, or we can just make one more line. Okay, let's just put one more line like this and a small line like this. So we've got 3 parts now. What we'll do, we'll just take yellow, color this yellow, we'll take red and color this part red. Nicely, but use any color. You can use pencil colors, sketch pens, crayons, oil pastels, any medium can be used. So it's a very simple activity, but yet it is very interesting. See the way we have used just 3 colors and such an interesting composition is ready with us. So we have just left some white spaces in between. So these are called breathing spaces. Okay, when we draw something we need to have some space, like a breathing space. It should be there. Too much congested work is also a little headache, okay, what we can say, or it looks messed up. Okay, so there should be some left out space which let us see some major elements of the artwork. Okay, so this white space, this black line is balancing these 3 colors so nicely that it doesn't look awkward or a little different. Okay, so I'm just repeating the artist again. Piet Mondrian, he was a great artist of 20th century. He was an abstract artist. He was a minimalistic artist. Minimalistic, those who do little work but with great impact, leaves great impact with us, and with some minimum colors. Okay, he was a modern artist, abstract painter. He was best known for abstract art. Okay, I hope you all enjoyed this activity. Simple activity. You can just experiment with some stars also, with moon also. Okay, and you can just leave this white, or you can just color with any color. Okay, the background can be done with any one color, red, blue or yellow. Hope you enjoyed this activity. Please share your artworks soon. I will be waiting for your creativity. I will be waiting to see your creativity and your creative minds. What have you done with such an amazing artwork? Okay, thank you so much. Have a great day, everyone.